Let's make some custom ring pops. Your ring pop template is going to come with two versions. One where you can drag and drop clip images on top of, and one where you can drag and drop images in the center. We're going to work on the clip image version, and I'm just going to click and change the color of each of these panels to match the theme. And if we click positions, we're going to find the layers tab so that we can actually change the color of the crinkle stripes. We'll be able to change the side panels here too, as well as the crinkle stripes on the other side. Now these half back panels are a little plain for me, so I want to add a pattern on top, and I'm going to do that by going over to the elements tab and finding a pattern that I think is simple but cute and fits the design. So I'm going to select these dots, but they don't quite fit in the panel the way that I want, so I'm just going to go to the crop tool and crop it down and then change it to whatever color that I like to help match the theme. And then as you can see, it's laying on top of our barcode, so I'm just going to send that backwards. So then I'm just going to duplicate it, flip it, and bring it to the other half. Now I'm going to go find my images on Google. I must say this is for personal use only, so I just have to put that out there. So in the search bar, I'm going to type in what I'm looking for and then PNG after, so that I can find my images with a transparent background. And you'll know it has a transparent background if the background is white and then it turns to this checkered pattern. So now you're going to upload and add your images into Canva. You can resize, you can flip them, you can rotate them however you want on your design. Some of the images you can even recolor to match the theme a little bit better. And then after, I'm just going to add a little bit of text. Thanks for coming, whose party it was. I'm going to change the color and even add some dimension by giving it this fun colored outline. And then once your design is complete, you're going to hit share. Then you're going to click download and you're going to change the file type to PDF print. And then you're going to actually tell Canva which page that you want to download. So in this case, my design is on page 2, so I'm going to hit current page, page 2, and hit download. All right, so let's start putting our ring pop together. After your design is printed, we're going to have a lot of white space. So we're just going to take a little paper cutter and cut that all off. And now we're going to fold back both of the half back panels. And I leave the tiniest little gap in between the two folds, and then I tape it down. So you're left with this cuff that has both ends open, but we're actually going to pinch it closed and then take some tape and tape it closed. Now instead of a sleeve, we have a little pocket, and we're just going to take our ring pop and shove it down in there. And once it's in there and adjusted, we're just going to pinch and tape that end closed as well. And there you have it, your completed custom ring pop. If this video was helpful, be sure to let me know by liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.